Hey, Sarah.
Hey, you made it. See you guys later. I still don't understand how you guys didn't get hurt.
Still figuring that one out?
Well, I'm just glad that you made it.
You promised me trouble.
Well, I will definitely do my best. I don't really know how you guys party in Metropolis, but here in Smallville, we do a little different. Maybe you shouldn't. Beer and benzos don't really mix well.
How'd you know?
I saw you take one back at the funeral reception. But you're not the only one, you know, on something, so.
You? For what?
Are you really gonna do this now? Go full euphoria on each other?
We don't have to. You're just kinda the only person I know around here.
No, it's cool. Up until I was 11 or 12, I had a pretty awesome life. I mean, it wasn't perfect, but it was nice. Dolls and dance classes. But then something changed. People around here, they get this sadness. And they act like it's something you can catch, like the flu. But I never thought it was gonna hit my house till it did. Now half the nights my dad sleeps on the couch and my mom gets really mad at him for being checked out, but honestly, I can't blame him. He's a firefighter, and being a firefighter here, you see all the really bad stuff. I mean, stuff that no one really wants to talk about.
Like what?
Like parents cooking meth and the whole house catching on fire with their kids inside. Anyways, about a year ago, I took a bunch of my mom's pills. I still don't understand why I did it. I've never done anything like that before, and my mom, she made a really big drama out of it. Lots of therapy and whatever. I know, for a sad story, it's really basic.
No. It's not.
What are you doing?
What?
Hey!
Sean!
It's my girlfriend!
Sean, what the hell is your
What the hell are
problem?
you doing with this?
It doesn't even matter. Relax, relax.
Girlfriend?
I would have gotten around to it, but you started kissing
What?
me first.
Hey,
Anyway,
hey, man,
Sean,
I
it's not
didn't
that
know.
big of a deal.
Back off! John? Hey, what the hell are you doing? You know how many townies I had to randomly DM to find out where this party was? Out of the way! Hey! Back off! You really don't want to get in my face right now.
Hey! You know what? What's wrong with you?
Convince yourself you were one of them? But you're not! You're still that scared, lost child, desperate for the love of people that will never accept you.